Hello, friends. If you are thinking about visiting Savannah, Georgia, it's such a great idea. I was there last year, and yes, it was hot, but I still love being outside. There's something so charming about the city, especially down at the port. You've got all these great restaurants and stores along River Street, and it's just so fun. You can grab some incredible food, do a little shopping, and just take in the atmosphere. It's a great spot to spend an afternoon for sure. And speaking about food, Savannah's food scene is amazing. I was so pleasantly surprised. I went to a couple of jazz spots where they had all these small plates to taste while listening to live jazz. And honestly, I was expecting the food to just be okay, because it's a jazz place. But it was so good. The food was delicious, and the music, it just made the whole experience magical. Jazz and great food. What more can you ask for? And if you are into spooky stuff, Savannah is known for being one of the most haunted towns in the US. There are so many ghost stories. We actually stay at the Marshalls, which is a hotel that is supposed to be haunted, especially one of the floors. It was fascinating listening to all the stories. I didn't see any ghost, but the history and the mystery surrounding it was all so much fun. Oh, and you cannot miss the Pirate House restaurant. It is this really cool place with pirate history where in theory there were real pirates centuries ago. It's such a fun experience. Plus, we did a trolley tour, and the characters were dressed like they were from the 14th century. It was really like being transported back in time. The whole city feels like it's filled with stories from the past. So beautiful. There's just something so special about Savannah. The history, the food, the music, even the haunted tales. You really feel like you're stepping back in time, but with all the fun of today. So if you haven't been there, it's definitely worth the trip. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like it and follow me. And please share it also with your friends. Thank you and see you soon.